Alright guys, here's page EE, and a couple times what we're going to do is I'm just going to run through the answers and show you the work, so please pause the video and so you're able to see the work. Here are the answers to the first three, and the only thing you have to remember is that when it labels the actual distance is the last number. Here it's saying it's within 5, so the distance is within 5. That's why it's less than or equal to 5. And here are the rest of the answers. Alright, number 2. Just you end up getting all real numbers, and please pause so that you're able to see the work, because if you look at the red and green line, there's nothing, because this is an OR problem, there's no answers that wouldn't work for this one. Here's the answer to the next one, and it's just one answer because it's an equation, not a compound equation, and x is equal to 5 over 6, 5 6, which is about 83 hundredths, and the 3 repeats. Here's the answer to 3 right here, x equals 3, and again pause it if you need to look at it. 5 is just asking you, 3 is just asking you for a for an actual inequality, and that's what the inequality would be. Here's the answer to 5, it's just asking you for an expression, not an equation. 6 is another one that you get all real numbers. Please pause the video in case you want to see the work for it, but it's an OR problem because it says the word OR. I solved each of these. I got x is less than 7 or x is greater than or equal to 6, which would account for everything. Here's B, which is an AND problem. So when I graphed it, I graphed the stuff between x is greater than 2 and x is less than 12 right here. And you could also write that as like this, but not equals 2. Less than 2, which is less than 12. Alright, here's C. And just a reminder, when you have this is a compound inequality because there's 2 inequality signs, and this stuff in the middle is between. So you're going to notice that I broke the problem down and I wrote that same exact thing twice. And then please pause the video if you want to look at the actual solving. But when I was done, I got x is greater than or equal to negative 1/4, where x is less than 21 over 4, which is 5 1/4. So your end graph would look like this. Because it's an AND problem, it's a conjunction, the stuff between. Here's number 7. It's just like the first 3, but here are your answers in case, just to double check. 8, 9, we've already done those on other videos, either BB or CC. And the last one, number 10, since you only have $60 to spend, you know it's going to the amount you spend is going to be less than or equal to 60. The amount that you already bought is $38 if you add those together, and you're going to add to that 5 times the number of pairs of earrings. And then when you solve it, you end up getting 22 over 5, which is a little more than 4, but not equal to 5. It's less than 5. So all you can afford to buy is 4 pairs of earrings.